What is up, my guys? It's your boy. Single mic tonight, lonely mic. Antones des un solo micrófonos tienes something? I don't really know the Spanish, but trying a different microphone, and it's easier to carry with me. No wires or anything. So let me know how it sounds. I forgot it was the weekend, but being that it's the weekend and no time like the present to ride, so I'm taking this out. This is my beater. I'm gonna use this, beat the shit out of this thing. I got the frame. It was already a little beat up, but this is a monster of a frame. Same with the forks, we're in great shape. They were actually like brand new, $100. Shout out to my buddy Tyler. Got the original Mickey Flex stem, not the bootleg new one that doesn't have the cutouts and whatnot. Kind of want to see this one back again, Ian. Demolition Axis bars. These are probably the most comfortable bars for me personally. Most people don't know they have this cool little laser engraved Axis symbol here. And that's etched in there. That's pretty cool. I think they could do something with the Demolition sticker, just because there's so many of those similar stickers that people can throw on the handlebars. You kind of want something original there, even though this is a official decal for the bars. Let's see. Be nice to see this in black. Maybe not, but I kind of think that adds a little to it. Yeah, great stem if you want to run a front load that's not dropped too far. Didn't have to cut the forks down at all. Fit right in the recess. Running had the tires forever. No one picked them up, so I decided to try. And these things are fatter than I thought. These are the Sunday Current V2s. I think of them as like Brett Silva rides them, and Julian Arteaga, and those are like two of my favorite riders. And if you know, they really like them. I think Julian might be riding Cinema tires now, but this is a different type of tire with the knurling and the tread. This is almost like, this could be a trail tire or a street tire, kind of like a mixture. It slides because of the tread and the air that it allows to flow in between there makes it easier for the tire to slide. Kind of reminds me of a heavier Momentum, and it makes sense that it's heavier because it's a bigger tire. It has more rubber on it. I don't think it would be as fragile, even though the Momentums aren't fragile at all. Yeah, 21-inch frame. Got this cool Fiend seat. This is just going to be like a cool stuff video. This is sun bleached, so shout out to buddy Brett. I like the Fiend because it's in the Philadelphia Phillies writing, and we're repping the Phillies here. They played tonight. Matter of fact, I don't know if they won though. Let's see what else here. Painted this. I faded that. I just threw the Sprocky Balboa, so everything on this, like, I got at a great price or at a low price. I've had these wheels forever, and the Sprocky is the only thing like that I'll be christening that I want to see. What do you guys think? Do you think that Sprocky Balboa can handle like some sprocket stalls and whatnot? I'd like to find out. Same with the cranks. These are the Shadow Killer cranks. Gonna see if they can handle crank arm slides. They're all like older parts, so like repainted and stuff. but still solid, like still, that's still a V2 interlock chain in good condition. So you're supposed to keep this chain tight. I was told that was just really tight. I don't know what happened there. This sock got really tight there. I'm not sure. Maybe I had pressure on something, but yep. Running the 25 tooth Sprocky, and I moved the aluminum core peg to this side just because the other one started rolling, and I don't like to grind on a peg that rolls like that. You end up rolling off. You roll off the ledge. I've had issues with that before. No brakes, aero rims. Thing doesn't really go that. Actually, it does go pretty fast because these BSD Revolution Hubs really roll fast. But it's a lot of bike, it's a lot of metal, and it weighs in at 27.6. I would say you don't want to go over 28 for a street bike, even though I know some do, but I like it around like 27.4. We got a bottom bracket buddy here too. We're going to be doing all kind of grinds. We just got to get to the concrete. So I'm going to stop yapping my trap, give you guys some close-ups, and be on my way. This is the Sunday. I'm not going to be changing this thing up except for to possibly try the squealer tires on this, because this is almost like a free coaster. It doesn't make noise. And I want to hear the squealer tires. Sorry for the lighting errors there. It's We the People Helix front hub. Got a titanium bolt in there. Yeah, I do. I'm always talking titanium. Ooh. Alright, there's the Sprocky. We're gonna see what the good old school animal can take, because like Rocky said, it's not how hard you can hit. It's how hard you can get hit and keep fighting. 2 mics with 1 mic out.